one pause now. Street Youth TV. You know what time it is. It's your boy, Mr. Lex. Flexible Complex representing the Street Youth TV.
Easy. Yo. Big up. Street Youth TV.
I mentioned that when you're big up. Bar it, you.
Yo, you don't know it's matter on Street Youth TV. I mean, mama, you don't know why them going to the Street Youth TV. Make sure you keep on watching. You want to move the eyelid then.
We got the Street Youth TV every time, see? Them boss you, them no beat you.
Street Youth TV. They don't understand the real TV. Yeah, keep it on Street Youth TV.
Street Youth TV, you know it is.
Street Youth TV, you know, the Union TV. Tuna represent, see? Yeah.
The money will not get from it, but none of them can tell KARTEl the truth. Like how man look at KARTEl and tell KARTEL the blood clot show. Favorite teacher come down in Bumbo class.
And the general, I'm a boss. So respect a man
And you, bro.
yeah, my bro. That's how we do it.
That's the way you do. When back in the fight and them thing there, and the ground grimy out there, you think I see you. Me not say none of you. None of them in a blood class. You know, not come up, oh, teacher, this is teacher, the teacher. But teacher on the bomb buckle. I would pull out the my wall. I would say, first and say, then I'd not say what teacher come.
Cut this shit, man. Let's sit down and talk. Big dog to Gaza puppy.
Back a frozen mouth, boy. You hear that chat up your mouth from me like you can't style, man. You can't style, man.
It's NUFFY has so much enough to say. Dear Massacre, I don't know why you had to come and apologize for people who disrespected you from Teacher's team. Like, okay, you did not disrespect anyone. You did not say anything that, like, will offend anyone. You know what I mean? And, like, that's just the way you perform. You always perform like that. You always say these things that you say. You know, I just didn't feel the need for you to come out and apologize and big up KARTEl. Like, you know what I mean? When, what's his name? Frog Face NUFFY has so much enough to say and tell you to move your blood clot and shit like that after you didn't even say anything to offend anyone. I found that to be very disrespectful. You know what I mean? Like, people are just so fucking in their feelings over a man. Like, a next man over in their feelings over a next man. That shit is so fucking gay to me. You know, NUFFY, you move your blood clot, bitch. The fuck? You ugly ass frog coming in this massacre for no reason because of some implied beef. You dumbass.
Teacher, not the way you do. When back in the fight and them thing there, and the ground grimy out there, you think I see you? Me not say no chop it up, you know. I fix it like, oh, no one fix it, you know. I say what I want to say, you know. But me have the truth and people can view it. Mr. Chin got some boom and say. Mr. Chin got some boom and say.
What's it bad?
No, man. Chin got some boom and say. KARTEl, we cannot give KARTEl a king title. Because KARTEl, he has done this, he has done that. You have to find a bigger position, a bigger name to give KARTEl, a bigger title. And not for this man, I'll change, not for your blood clot, not for your either, because it's enough of them around KARTEl, them don't listen, you know. Them not listening, you know. See, as I said, you know, I said, it tell, you know. It tell now they come and then start cause your blood clot. But see, I can't say anything because you know why? See, my fight struggle and I know some put in work and that's something there. And I be a human this around the thing and them, none of them can't tell KARTEl, say, yo, teacher, what's king? A real boss, your blood clot, man, you think big and big. You have a big title, a real boss. And who wrote that about king? King them bumbo clot. So you see that my book. Me have KARTEl, you know, king blood clot. Me have KARTEl as real boss.
And you see, I big up you 4 years.
Not for your idiot, man. Tell you, not for big up. You're food in my big up, yes. I'm telling you something, bro. See, remember I say, Shabba goes up, boom, and forward, you know. Shabba goes up, boom. Shabba no say no king, Shabba say emperor. Yeah, do you know, say, an emperor, the title is bigger than a blood clot king title. Eh? And you go so boom, my lad. Roll back. Let's look up, let's take a minute now. Roll clot kingship.
Yeah, man.
The big on kingship. And then go some woman a fight. And King of Dancer. Or I can't drop an album. King of Dancer. Say, okay, boom, matter that. See? But for when you know some woman come from prison and the levels when you take the blood clot king. Teacher no fear think about no blood clot king. Teacher be look into himself and say, bumbo clot. That's something global. I have a roll in my hand. He don't want that. Teacher don't need that. Teacher don't need no blood clot king thing. Which king? The man bigger than that. The man a roll boss. He won't roll.
Yeah, man.
Child wants a blood clot, guys. I don't know how to drop the man blood clot thing. But man a fight with it for Billy. See? What is that thing about no king? But roll him keep on and say, I say, yo, we conquer roll, we control the roll. So hold on now. Oh, I go chop no one said, so no one say, and can't, and go cause, no go blood clot cause. You think I'm a Ricky Chopper. But fight struggle for blood clot cartel and other things. Cartel come from prison, I'm not running neither. And you have no life with them too. You see all of them? Oh, we see that. Oh. Yo, and them bad mind, the teacher, and them bad mind, and them bad mind. So you don't know for good. The bomb buckle and the thing like them bad mind. See, other people talk about bad mind, bad mind blood clot people, I'm not chat about. See, yo, when I lay up the monkey, all I lay up the monkey, and then the bag of fool them around blood clot teacher, be a fool teacher.
Alright, you see what Mr. KARTEl do with you? You see some artists who get 20 grand for your show and 25 grand. KARTEl make them get all 300 blood clot houses for your show. Some artists will take 20 grand and 25 grand.
Anything I left?
300,000 them get.
And I be a blood clot arena sell out. So dance and go so boom, come. See? No, my mama said, Bujo coming up. Bujo go say, boom, and come lift the bar, no man. Bujo come lift the bar, bro. Because mama said, Bujo come lift the bar, no man. And go so boom, and a ram arena and a ram stadium and a do them for those. See? KARTEl come and run with the thing called button. And the whole of youth them are running out with popcorn and the whole of them. Made them on a blood clot with. See, killer, even the other day, killer ram film show too. So all of the man them are run, bro. The man them are do them thing, bro. Because man say killer show go flap and killer thing blood clot ram. See, so me I say.
But the killer for that hour was the most ghetto youth and
somebody me say. No, me talk about blood clot KARTEl. Can't find more. Me I love me something. I'm a true fan. But fight KARTEL war. See? The man who run KARTEl will be a blood clot that don't teacher. See? Be a fool on the man. The man them did and I lay up the man bumbo clot king. I come back king. King no bumbo clot. Man not king nothing. So I want bet about me say that the bite on a bite me. Square, let me show you a thing. See? Oh, Sunfest. KARTEl got Sunfest. See? Well, on the KARTEl got Sunfest. And Sunfest done. See? And them have to dip on blood clot social media still a cuss. And KARTEl like kings here, and who not like that? Bite it because them crown him. See? Them show the mix up the man of them bumbo clot there. See? The man a roll boss, he roll boss, big and king. Big and king. See like what Shabbat say, him an emperor. See? That now, it can't mix up with king. See? Because you have king of England, you have king of France, king of that. The man take like roll boss. The teacher that him looking at himself and sing it on big blood clot chain with the globe a spin on it. See? So me I say, so a teacher ever say, but yo, I see what I want to, I can't say this blood clot. See, I see what I want to, but I don't teacher, I want some pussy. I don't want teacher show, the money will not get from him, but no, you can't tell KARTEl the truth. That's how man look at KARTEl and tell KARTEl the blood clot show. See? Yo, all the way from my power with KARTEl, when we tell KARTEl the truth, enough time in cry. See? I will tell him the truth. Well, I want some blood clot. So, all this, you know. When this goes up, boom, and this boy, you know. When after 1 year, you know. See? And everything goes up, boom, and boy, you know. See? Well, I have a blood clot run and gone. Run gone left the man. Everyone, you know. Not pussy, you know. After NUFFY, you know. When he goes up, boom, and left Alliance. When he left Alliance, see? And goes up, boom, on them own. No want to touch him blood clotting. Because everybody afraid of killer. And nobody no want offend blood clot killer. See, alright, Mr. Teacher come from blood clot prison. See, and teacher say, him find God and him set up God say, if me go so boom and drop back a road, me I change certain things. The first thing teacher should have not care one. If you link blood clot Jeffrey Eye. See, teacher will link Jeffrey Eye now. I even though say to him, if you look my friend from the youth and say, yo, yeah, hear me. you know, you did it there, you know, you fight so I me did there. When I know when I see things happen, run round at that bumbo class where one rush at teacher on Reddings Road in them time there. And a Jeffrey take her 2 cutlass slap in her back and take 2 bats and jump in her vehicle and drive it way. See? Such a little thing where with a little street vibes around blood clot thing and a man say, if that hustling thing and rare, that pass long time and that make you not be your what. See? I want to know. And them youth they forget blood clot jar. You may talk my mind to them. See? What kind of jar them youth they get? Eh? All I would have to shut up for no more. I said, look at what you go around the man. A man goes so boom and blood clot goes so boom. I said, the one number for real teacher. A man link somehow, you know. I want to share the DJ. Say, I suck out to no more my whole I want to. Say, first and just say, then I nothing with teacher come down in bumbo clot. I come about teacher, nothing what you do. When back in that fight and them thing there. And the ground grimy out there. You think I see you? I say, no, no. None of them in a blood class. You know, they come up, oh, teacher, listen, teacher. Not teacher on a bumbo class. On the wall out of it, go. Say, I want to know. I will fight the struggle around here. Say, that teacher get rich now. I will not beg nothing from teacher. And I want it from teacher come on over here so I hold them fence. That teacher come from blood clot prison. Say, our teacher come from prison. Pop can link me as a teacher. Ask for you. Say, teacher, ask for you. Say, that teacher said, chopper. Because the teacher said when one part in our life, when they lowest in our life, when they made lowest in our life, choke by every day and food around out the choker pocket and then bumbo clot them. Saying, so me I say, I would did it, I would know, we used to name out a one bumbo clot in box food. One box food we eat and man a cut off the top, I box and them thing and I eat, and then bumbo clot and a fight struggle. See, one in there, we're all on there from shut down for the blood clot. See, but a teacher for looking at blood clots, if I remember this in a cartel, a January you ball like man. I mean, a boy, I'm run into paper. But we say, enough of them we have come chat. And lay up your thing and come chat about blood clot. But make you tie up in a king thing. You're a real boss. You're a boss for you in a blood clot AG thing. See? You're a boss for blood clot world. See? You think bigger and blood clot kingship.
History.
See? History be a history.
History of prayer going on. History of
See?
prayer.
I can live you think about blood clot thing. All of them are some pussy. All of them. See? All of them are some pussy.
KARTEl, you know every special leader.
I teach, I'm sure, I teach, alright, for the teacher come and blood clot, come back a road. See? He might get a hit all now, you know. You think teacher get a hit? Teacher just do some blood clot song and then video float because what? And like teacher have some youth where, like how we so fight with him thing and him have been set and selected them. A power and bumbo clot thing. Teacher now get a real it for him come from prison, you know. And now you know bro. And none of them answer to teacher say, alright teacher, you don't control the freaky girl them and you this that you do that song yeah. See, some songs for you drop now and some song where supposed to go so boom now. See, Fifi word and make people go so boom and gravitate to that. And you take the thing to a different level. Yeah. See, I'll teach you the whole of them about my producer, I pussy them. They might tell you the truth. So me I say, whatever going to yam out them woman, move them down the boat.
Every special.
So me I say, hold on for moving on blood clot and I leave the youth run. And then I tell the youth the blood clot shoot. Say, well you see me, now I'm a friend from my boy and I'm going to start my shoot and done. Say, but you see more time, when you bust a bomb, you fight and struggle. See, and when we don't fight the struggle, we fight it from we heart. When they don't fight it through blood clot money. See, when they don't fight it through money, and when they don't fight it through this kind of money, never did it. See, and only if I want to come raid the blood clot band, not for no care news, and get lights and riches on them blood clots. Some boys go, can't check them and I tell them nothing. See, because the real youth them who fight the struggle, we don't get no love. No love, we not blood clot. We don't get no love out of this. Artists are not for no artists are wicked because it's the youth them who fight the struggle them all the while. See, I'm tell you, if a bust Jeff Wright, teacher if a bust blood clot Jeff Wright, for you mean? Bust the youth, bust pimping them youth there. See, me stand up with my blood clot 2 years when VYBZ go on and I see them box on Jeff Wright in a bumbo clot concentrating police station. I want me and blood clot me and I drive out and left him on ground. You forget that? Eh? But them boy, they don't bag a little pussy around you. I chat out them mouth now. What them did there? I scatter on the wall. I scatter in the blood clot. Them look a bow dread. What them did there? I look a bumbo clot, bow dread. Say, what them did there? What them did? All of them were about teacher. Teacher on a bumbo clot. A long time it a boil up in a me, you know. See? Bumbo clot for boy, man. See? I don't go out there fighting. I don't fight no struggle. Eh? No, never believe in the blood clotting, because nobody never want to offend kill them. See, I'm going to show you, I put on my career on the blood clot line, you know, because I'm going to go boom and do all one clash with VYBZ, Guinness sound and greatness. See, and the whole alliance, see, VYBZ. I'm going to the clash for blood clot clash them, and same time Squingy dead. See? So that night they may fight against Squingy dead to do something, and I fight the whole blood clot alliance. See if I put KARTEl out there. See, I went KARTEl bus, 06, which we bus KARTEl. That before this and a blood clash, real clash. Because I do song them time there, but I don't like him go so boom and real. We do a real clash now. We play 1 million KARTEl, we play KARTEl, so till people think of sick of KARTEl and I want you no more KARTEl, till they want you no more. And from that, me carry blood clot, sit down, sit down back. See, I went out there fight struggle. Night me a foot I buck up a road and be a fight. And what? I want thing make me a foot I more never catch up. See, because the same blood clot links where him have, I see him links have a 90s with blood clot. See, and me and him I read to blood clot kick me. See, so the disrespect you go on. See, go on to you. My heart fun. I'm gonna blood clot and go. Say, I mix up the man thing about this bag of idiot thing about king blood clot. The man thing big and king shit. Man, I roll bumbo clot, boss. You know what kind of title that? See? Man, I roll king bumbo clot. DJ, one roll up on top about king. All man I keep bumbo clot something. See? All man I keep where it a come from father to blood clot son and come down. A royal fucking go on and then bumbo clot there. And breed all your sister and them thing. That don't mix up the man in that. See? Man, I roll boss. And who want bex. I wanna like come here and say, bite me. See? Because we think different. Because I might even say no. Me is a boy and I'm a bumbo class later come boy, See, I fight the whole alliance, I fight killer for around 10 bumbo class, son couldn't kill me. See, I will KARTEl, but so boom, I fight the KARTEl thing. Now boy, kill me, no dance neither. So if KARTEl want turn against me and say anything I want to say, I fight him with the next blood clot DJ, because I'm a bad that way there. See, and that me I tell you. See, because I'm a bad, me know to kill DJ career. See, so me I say, so who want go so boom and like for me I say, who no like for me I say, who no bite me no business, nyam me, say, me like a blood clot either, we no go so boom and bout on a crown man, say, me not know against Spice, I'm a little sister, me and a good, look you have woman a crown man, who never hear bumbo clot, woman a crown man, big KARTEl, leave up the man blood clot thing, say, on the lily of the man thing. On the lily of the man blood clot thing. Saying, oh Antonio, I don't understand the love of DJ. No, I don't love of DJ. I put a work off and the money will not blood clot get. Better some fiam team tomorrow morning and him can't DJ. One on the run gone. See? So me I say, but then him not fight for no kingship, bro, and him a fight for kingship and who around him and mislead him. See? Who around him and mislead him, bro, because I tell the man, say, yo, leave that alone, DJ. We know, the real youth, them for real people, them around him and I tell him the truth, him listen. And him hear, nobody around him I tell him the blood clot truth. Because everybody around him, them are yes man, really, yes teacher, teacher that, yes teacher that, yes teacher, no bumbo clot. What on for good? No fear the whole of uno. Suck on a mother. Saying, what on bite me? You no bumbo clot, you want some pussy.
Well said and done.
Say no, yo, listen to my real people. Man, I real boss, yeah? Man, I real bumbo clot boss. Man, for love being with the little king city.
I will need two pass and back and two pass
love being with the little bumbo clot man.
Two pass world champion, blood clot selector.
You have asked for that, that's bro. Then bro, I'm gonna call my phone. Every minute I call my phone, bro. Chopper. Hey, what you think about this? What me not think about blood clot nothing? Me no business. Say that, but I talk the truth, bro. The man can't have a title, bro. The man get the biggest title. Then give him world boss, you control the world. Then the crown, the man and give him a big crown. I want set time and blood clot, and I say, yeah. Say, see world boss, yeah. This is world boss. Say, world boss, big and king blood clot shit. Big and king shit. I drop the man thing on a bumbo clad king, then bag a year for king, a new king. And black people too easy for this blood clad leather street. I hear people and leave black people astray and now wise up, you know. And now look on the bigger picture, you know. Say, because when enough for go support my going to riches now, no one, when I make us look at people come and say, oh, this, that, I want to run back at them. See, black when blood clad politician go support and come say about, say, oh, election, and you're going to get water, and you're going to get kiss, and you're going to get an run down back at them bumbo clad. You see? I'm a sellout. See? KARTEl have cult following, you know. See? My cult following, so what? You do not even listen more time why one and look into things. You want to run and jump with it. And guys are no blood clad. And we love the youth. See? And more time man just look into it and not even like how the youth blood clad, not career and move. You know what you want? See? No, not tell the youth, say your teacher, say everybody know your blood clot food. Rapper come this, that, say change your blood clot lyrical content and no teacher. Say you're global now. Say change the lyrical content. You have to talk about wood and freaky girl and them things and more. Do some nice song. Say we're radio friendly and family friendly. Say and that's how you think now, teacher. Because you pass that stage already. How much of them have blood clot tell you that? Them not tell you that. See, you can't reach on the fuck son. Look at Jay-Z then. You better you stop recording for blood clot. So you don't have to do no more song then. You don't have to record no more song. And I drop your blood clotting. Because you amount of work when you put in a good song. You have some little fuck you know. And it will drop your thing around. With some more about them a producer. On produce me. I suck on the moment I kicking on a blood clot face. And some produce gunshot in a while. On a bomb clot. Oh, on the whole of it, come down now, man. No leave Beenie Man alone with him little king blood clotting because of the era them a come from. Beenie Man a come from the era, from King Tubby's days and a blood clot come up. See, and yellow man them thing a come up and him DJ and the thing goes so boom. See, the new generation of DJ come, I want different era, I want different blood clot school and this. And then the era, I want NUFFY come out. After KARTEl, there will be no more things. So DJ stop at KARTEl. KARTEl stop DJ. He stop at him. But teacher in prison, you still have the blood clot song. Say, but teacher all up in things as a youth, incarcerated, but he might put out it and still keep himself current. And we have to live for act to that and show him respect for that. Because I never give up because January in bomber clot band. See? So I want to chat about. Teacher, you're the real boss here. Don't make the boy tell you nothing. You're the real boss. Real boss title bigger than anything title. Real boss your name teacher. Whether you want to like it or not, we are the real youth them who they run from long blood clot time here. And we love you from them time that you know. See? And we know all I struggle, we know all I hungry, we know all I hungry, we know all I sacrifice, we know all I disrespect for blood clot one. We know all of that. See, now none of them not tell us, that, yo, love that because you're bigger than that. You know what's up, boom, and I kick away man big title, kick away world boss, and I talk about blood clotting. Real boss, real mean the whole world, universe, every blood clotting. See, no one little king will run this country and run that the country. Every son I drop the man blood clotting. That's why when Chin come and say, the man think bigger than that. See, the man need a different title, bigger than that. And NUFFY come chat off him out and this and about Chin and Dirty Dread Rasta. Yo, NUFFY, Alice, you're done, so you're not going to school. You're a yes man. Pussy, you're a yes man. And you know, come tell me about if me know KARTEl from long. Me have to know KARTEl from long time. And when KARTEl is broke and blood clot hungry, Alice KARTEl a little boy when he know you. See? When the time come for KARTEl, for who stand up and fight for KARTEl, and we stand up and fight for blood clot KARTEl. Me stand up and fight for KARTEl. Because no man, no selector, no radio boy, no one offend killer. And every time me a killer, so now when killer say, take a flight trooper, and I say, me now go this cartel, show you cartel, and do me none. Killer tap chat to me again. The friendship mash up this again. I'm a fight with killer. See? That advice go on already, that's a blood clot Gaza Hindu one time and see all of the octopus. Tell life for me a cartel, look for me say chopper. Yeah, me selector, no chopper. Ray blade, I was a teacher, I listen about the band, I join my band. See? I'm a fight with blood clot struggle. See? Because they find out, say, when I'm big sending me to Bumbuckler, that a lynchman. Say, Mikey Peltman, find out, say, me do it when I lynch them. He must say, the trooper, they know you do it, man, in a lynch, my boy, yes, guys, I'm a teacher, I have some thing there, a loyalty man deal with them. See? How much of them do that? Them out there, night time, man, I fight no blood clot struggle. Eh? They fight no struggle out there. I want man a fight struggle, I one other one blood clot kill me. Eh? They fight no struggle for this. I don't fight no blood class struggle. I'm out there fight at night time for this. Remember when dance me do a Westmoreland, me a set me a play beer Gaza song and foot the hype a play beer Bumbuckler gully. See? When I build this war we go on one dance at Westmoreland and I see them dance when they done them broke foot a blood clot and see? Go on know. And beat foot and broke foot a blood clot and I see a man in there, enough of them man get mashed up, and Flugger get mashed up, and Gaza versus Gully that dance a blood clot name. See? And enough time your foot up in the street and machine out and beer sitting. See? So me I say, I don't know them blood clotting there, I don't know them something there. I don't know about this. I don't know hold on for going man, I don't know stop now man. It's controversy about blood clot king. The man think big and king. Says, fling white blood clot crown with them. Fling white crown with blood clot. We don't sound them give you. Fling white Bumbuckler. You don't need that. You're bigger than that. You're not ready for that. You think bigger than that. Saying, don't this my thing in a cartel. Don't this my thing in a. I'm a fight for you, you know. Say, I'm fight and put you up there, you know. And the esteem when I have you and the ice when I have your ass. Man, I have a blood clot king, you are the real boss. Now, they live at your thing and go down like push king. Me be the keeping thing. And that's how the things say, me be the keeping thing something. See? Yes, Shabba in one class, Shabba right, emperor. See? Man, now come for that, one emperor and Shabba. One real boss, you have a blood clot, you. See how I call them called Bounty Killer, blood clot. Call him the God, ground God. See? You can't get no more title. Yeah, real boss, real big and Bumbuckler them thing they want to know. And that's that me I say. Well, I don't know if go away. See? But so one bag of boy about in a vlogger chat this and a this people and Joshy. But so now this a little Joshy. See? Well, we expect Joshy to come blood clot, say. See? A massacre call out Joshy. See? Joshy I go give massacre in praise. Because I saw the thing go. See? So me I say, but I'm glad that Joshy did do that, you know. Because Joshy goes so boom and walla hype. Walla hype Joshy. People call your blood clot name again. Even for the song do it, Joshy. They might call your name again, Joshy. See? They might call your name, Joshy. See? Because music a controversy. Music a blood clot controversy. So Joshy, people are going to remember you from some fest. Say you're one of the smartest artists. Say, how what you say? Crown this, that, rare, and blah, blah, and this, and the out, and that, show. I mean, I say them thing that too. Say, because me go for a play, hype me a blood clot go for. Say, teacher, I want to you. Say, you can't cut the friendship cartel from today, you can't done it, you can't hate me too. But me I tell you, Joe, you think big and Bumbuckler king, she rick it up and tell you that, who stand up and fight for you. Say, cartel member say, when me kill blood clot, based on this to them, you know. Say, all six, you know. Remember, say, based on this, them say, them not play no more cartel, you know. They not play no more cartel for around 2-3 years, you know. They not play no more cartel for around 2-3 years, you know. See? You forgot? That one? Jay, make me good, man. That's a man. Yo! Edna! Get me a mic. See? Blood clot, that you see them boy that way a vlog, and honor mash up music. Honor set a pussy. Honor set set of pussy we have vlog. And who know a mash up music? Who know to stop and come down. I want to depend who, yo, and this and that and never suck on my wall. I want to look work. See? I never look work. I want to cast all of them division and blood clot music. I want to go it. Because the biggest thing right now is going on music. Not for the artists, them are blood clot coward. See? Not for the artists, them are coward. Them not clash amongst one another. See, like the sound system, them with a blood clot Jamaica. Them not clash a big coward. See? You think we don't do this for money? KARTEl never have the money when we fight with them. See, now me have the money run KARTEl as I do them time there. Me have the money. Ask him. Ask Popcorn. See? Ask blood clot millionaire with incarcerated. See? And all our man them know. Ask facts on them youth there. Ask Gary blood clot Exodus. Fly from them shut down. See? Ask them youth there. See? Ask better than them blood clot youth there.
Joke all the time with this in European article.
See? Ask better than them youth there. Ask all the youth that will fight blood clot struggle around that. People, I'm going to talk my mind. I'm not saying to people. Around 13 to 14 years with that immigration prison, you know. Around 13 years with that immigration prison, you know. See? Around 13 to 14 years with that immigration prison. It's so the day when I lose my visa, when I take my 2 blood clot visa, I say that KARTEl me stand up. Rather than see me out when them say, KARTEl, them talk about KARTEl kill blood clot people. And I hear them stand up in a beside teacher. I want to get the call. When I get the call, and then Dwayne God call me from down a Glen and say, Chopper, I have something to tell you, you want to sit down and you want to stand up. But I'm a good man. And he say, you know, I take your tour visa, and I take your killer visa, and Beanie Man visa, I don't have visa, and Movado visa. Say, and I can't look for me and say, Chopper, what? So the teacher, I know, so them just say, them tell me, say, hey, Dwayne God, I say, I take my visa then. And Guinness we are drink. Guinness we are drink, and teacher goes, so boom, and take what the Guinness out of my hand when me a drink, and fling it on the wall and broke the buckle. See, and reach your new one and pull it and say, wall this chope, and in a Gaza, you say, you don't expect it to come. You don't expect it to come. See? So someone that come blood clot about, see? Oh, your chope, I make your chope, my nose, my visa, it's your chope. Eh? It's bigger than blood clot, your chope. See? That's why I go to embassy and them ask me. Them ask me about some different sitting. And I ask me about one man who run one certain place. It's in a man ask me about a YouTube or blood clot now. And them ask me affiliation to KARTEl. And them sitting them ask me about bumbo clot about. And me there see a way. See?
No, I KARTEl from blood clot.
And like a regular blood clot boy. And if a government I want to mash up music, man. Nobody. Not tell them vlogger boy I say them because sit down, you know. Nobody not tell them, you know. See? Because all of them go so boom and but you see on love so on love blood clot passa. As them say something, the whole out the lag on and don't take peace and run God. Because NUFFY never take the life there, you know, and chop it up, you know. And fix it like oh no one fix it, you know. And say what no one say, you know. But me have the truth and people can view this kind of what did they say. And they can splice up and chop up and do no one. See? So yeah. I know what thing man go through for blood clot Gaza.
Did you link to KARTEl and move on the ball?
No, I don't want to link them. I'm not chat to KARTEl, bro. I tell to KARTEl come on prison. Popcorn, call me. I said, teacher, I want to talk to your chopper. See? More than once, till me go so boom and Popcorn link me. I'm a teacher talk and teacher say, chopper, why? I say, me diamond. He said, oh, me not see you. I say, you just come from captive, bro. Go and be with the family and do your thing, man. The time will come when me link you. See, 3 way the man call me, you know. So automatically, me get KARTEl number there, so. I mean, no story. Me just store man blood clotting. Me just store KARTEl number. See, Popcorn make a link, so if KARTEl want to call me, him to call me. But I take up the number we get for Popcorn and call KARTEl, because I'm a general. I'm a Ricky Chopper. See, me no blood clot, me a boy have my pride up to today. And me can bear my hungry. See, I When I hear my name, I can't share the blood clot thing. Say, a blood clot 13 years, I die 14 bomber clot here. I'm 14 years, 14 I'm a blood clot Jamaica. Say, so me I say, a BMW me I drive a blood clot Jamaica. So me carry BMW me I drive, me I live good at Jamaica. Say, take a blood clot while me walk and I drive whole car and everything. The BMW blood clot double me I drive. Say, be a bomber clot, I'm big rough bomber clot for and so. Say, I'm bad sound, a pretty sound and chuck at every blood clot thing. And me pay me out them good too. 7,009 me give my maintenance. I mean I pay the most money at Jamaica as for maintenance. The blood clot yo. Say, all heap of money me pay me out them. Say, I mean not fly like some boy, I mean not tour like them. I mean not blood clot hungry, so what me fi do? Go some bum and boy me have call KARTEl squid. Me not call KARTEl. Can me get the number from Popcorn? I mean not story. Say, cause me a big man. KARTEl a little boy for me. I'm a fight him struggle, so him for sure respect. Him say he come from prison and God show him light and God change him life. See, so if a member gratitude blood clot showed, see, if a member gratitude, cause one day him send up on the lowest in his life. See, and I was there for him. Couple thousand US dollars me give him in blood clot and him 4 pocket fully handful. See, plus 400,000 Jamaican for the show and them thing there. And him don't forget it. Because remember, I can tell Popcorn, keep on and remind about it. See? So when I come blood clot, see? People in life, you have to have pride. See? You have to stand up on your 2 foot of pride. And artists know, say, you have selected your fight with them blood clot career. They have sure respect. Because boy, no boy have nothing over me in the music, you know. I mean, I bow out and I sell out. See? But the whole of them going to drop the man blood clotting and it hurt me dog. Man name Road Boss and I got some boom. Whole of them chat about kingship and drop the whole thing down a blood clot about king. Eh? Man a Road Bomber clot boss. Or if you left a Road Boss and gone a king. From Road Boss to king. All of them bite me man. Later I'm moving a bomber clot. On the blogger, on the bite me and so on and say, nyam me. On a stink no blood clot. Because on the bandits I tell you, and a fornicate things, you know. And make up things to get blood clot likes, you know. Getting man live off of blood clot in social media. Go along with this. Don't bite me, I'm a suck on no woman. I can't tell them, tell you something, yeah? Remember who did it there, yeah? Send a thing go get Jeff Riper, send a thing go get blood clot pimping. Send a thing go get them lawyer you there. So me I say, before them broke millionaire net, or them kill millionaire in the prison, because it come like a death so I'm going to say, no care what go on, in a them time there. Try find him, send a thing to the commissary. And that me I tell you, the youth them when they got some bum and there, say, with them, say, fuck everything. Say, fuck everything. Say, love your pride too. Say, remember the youth them who did there fight for you. All of them who did there from day one and fight for you. And you used to drink out of one water blood clot back and we are in one back soul. Say, and we are fighting and we didn't believe in the thing. Say, and we didn't believe in the blood clot. That we have a dream. See, and when you got enough time and say you give up and you know what I say want to you, stop going like you're pussy and go write lyrics. You never say me tell us say you're DJ too fast enough. And learn to sing. Who will teach you for blood clot sing? Go there. Eh, you remember them you there? Go there from Reddit's blood clot road. Eh, and then you there for that thing go get kind of not trouble you because you're rich. See? If you look for them blood clot you there. See? So me I say, because you say you find God and you know God and I see you talk about God. God is around us. But I want thing you say your blood clot friend them. Ammonia and blood clot. Ammonia and Red Boom and blood clot TJ. See? Ammonia, Red Boom and TJ blood clot then in the Genesis. What the foundation have been. What them did there? Yeah? What them did blood clot then? Them did there? And when they fight, struggle and believe in you, you think that them could